What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to everybody about a little bit about my plans in the next coming weeks on what I'm going to be doing to the 240 and what I'm going to be doing in general. So let's get to it. Nice, sunny, no more rain. That'll be great, because now I get to drive the 240 as a daily. Let's get her. Oh. And there she is again. So the reason why I've been trying to daily this 240 lately is because I just recently put a new clutch in it. And I have a track day coming up at the end of the month, and I need that clutch broken in before then. I definitely need new tires. I don't know what else I'll necessarily get done on the car before then, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see what we get done before then. So right now, let's get the 240 pulled out and the Camry pulled in. The first time starting it on camera. Pull this out so we can pull the Camry in. Now time to pull the Camry into the garage. All right, and we are set. So let's go. So right now I have about 45 minutes before I have to be at work, so I'm gonna go pick up some Taco Bell. Trying to daily a track car is not exactly fun. Especially a welded diff, roll cage, it's a pain in the ass getting in and out of the car. Not exactly a daily driver. But like I said, gotta get that clutch broken in before my track day. If you guys have any questions about the car, feel free to ask me in the comments. So pulling up to Taco Bell right now, and it's low-key popping. So yeah, while I wait to order and wait for my food, it'll be the perfect time to talk to you guys a little bit about my plans. In the next video, I'll be reviewing the coilovers that I have on this car. They are CX Racing coilovers. They're pretty much just straight track coilovers, but they have adjustable camber, adjustable damping, but be sure to watch that video. Well, I'll be ordering new tires, so we got to get those mounted. That'll probably be a separate video. I would like to get a new steering wheel, quick release steering wheel in this before my track day, but we'll see. The weekend after my track day, which will be the first weekend of April, I will actually be at Formula Drift Long Beach. I go every year. I love to go out there and watch those guys get down. It's a blast. Plus, I need a little vacation. Can I get the nacho fry box? Baja Blast. Another thing I plan on doing to this car, not sure when I'll do it yet, but what the heck? Look at this, man. He got out of his car to look at the menu to order. But as I was saying, another thing I plan on doing to this car, I'm not sure when I'll do it, but it's definitely going to be getting done before I motor swap it. I want to enjoy this motor a little bit with some track time, get used to the car before I go big power. I'm not going to tell you guys what motor swap I'm doing until the time comes, but I'm going to turbo this. I'm going to turbo, get it up to about 250 horsepower, something around there, just so I can have a little more fun at the track. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay updated on when I turbo this. It's going to be fun. It's going to be an adventure because I've never put a turbo on a car. I've never even drove a turboed car. It's going to be quite the experience. I do not know why I ordered a drink. Those of you who own 240s know the struggle. We ain't got no cup holders.
How you doing, man?
Doing good.
656. Appreciate it. Have a good day now.
Thank you. Got my nacho fries.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and framed.
So that's going to be it for this video. I just pulled up to work and I start work in about 7 minutes or so. So I'm gonna go get clocked in, eat my Taco Bell, and get to work. Make that money for this money pit. But as always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.